me, I've met some people that are also working in the same business that I am, looking to scale their properties, and we're looking at doing various partnerships and cross-selling. So that's looking really exciting.
It's a great opportunity for us as vendors to meet with our property managers, but more than anything, it's when the property managers have an opportunity to speak to each other. And so we are able to innovate together with our main partners here.
I think it's one of the most important because Avantio is so generous in putting this on and making connections so that people can find value, find customers, and have a great time.
I think it's important because we are able to discover what's happening from the competition. Also, let's be honest, but also to share and to work together in order to make this industry evolve, because it's a big ecosystem. It's only when we are gathering together, exchanging ideas, and thinking about initiatives or projects that we can make this industry evolve.
Tenemos una coordinación de trabajo muy buena entre las asociaciones del sector y Avantio. Me sirve para poder pulsar todo lo que sale nuevo respecto a proveedores, actividades y actualizaciones del programa que yo uso diariamente.
Well, for me, because I have a guest referral platform, my opportunities are to meet some more property managers and explain how important guest referrals are. They're here as part of the Avantio community, but I'm also building a community for direct bookings and for guest referrals.
TAP is a very important event for the industry. It's a meeting point for all stakeholders. We share experiences. We kind of talk about new opportunities, and it's a great moment for all of us to learn new things. So yes, it's a fantastic event for the industry, for all of us.